In the last video, we discussed the concept of unreality of time, how it gives rise to causality, that is, cause implies effect, and touched upon its alternative, which is acausality. Now, what is acausality? Well, we know that the negation of A implies B is negation A conjunction B, and by definition, causality is cause implies effect, and negation of causality is acausality. Then acausality by logical negation is the occurrence of an event in the absence of a cause. But how can something happen without a cause? Well, there are a few ways this is possible. In physics, by general theory of relativity, we know that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light, which means an event that occurs due to any non-physical causes can be instantaneous, surpassing the space-time boundaries, and therefore cannot be bounded by causality. Another example would be a random event. If you throw a die, the outcome, while narrowed down to a set of predictable results, is ultimately random, having 1/6 probability for each. That is, the final result lacks a cause and hence is acausal. Now, there is a special category of acausal events that may satisfy the above two properties. That is, there may be a faster than speed of light information exchange and the event may seem random. These types of events are called synchronicistical events. The term synchronicity was coined by the Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung, who also coined the terms introvert and extrovert. Jung developed this concept in collaboration with the Austrian physicist Wolfgang Pauli, one of the pioneers in quantum mechanics. Now, synchronicity-based events are ones in which, in retrospect, we can have some personal meaning which can be assigned to them. These can be simple enough, like having the same thought as your friend at the same time, or life-changing ones like bumping into the right person at the right place at the right time. There's no apparent cause to these events, and yet in retrospect they may result in a meaningful conversation or something that diverges you to an entirely different path in life. If we assume that an event can be either causal or acausal, and on the basis of that claim that these acausal events can be synchronicistical, then we must arrive at the question, what is the basis for these synchronicistical events? Question: what is the basis for these synchronicistical events? Here we will discuss one possibility. We know that all matter is energy, hence it is safe to assume that the unit of matter for non-physical plane is also energy, such as the space of thoughts. Energy has a wavelength, and we know that waves can only interact if they are of similar wavelengths. A perfect example of this would be due to the large difference in wavelength, radio waves pass through walls. Hence, it is acceptable that thoughts also only interact when of similar wavelengths. Since thoughts are non-physical, faster than speed of light travel is possible, and hence their interactions surpass the space-time bounds. Hence, an acausal event may occur by synchronicity due to interaction of thoughts leading to, say, an encounter or a conversation between two observers. In simple language, it is said that we tend to meet people similar in thinking to ours. In the next video, we might further discuss possibilities of how the universe operates by the principle of synchronicity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe, and check out my blog Simplifying Ideas Differently, the link for which is given below.